Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the FACTDOUBLE function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will simply return the double factorial of a certain number. So the way it works is pretty simple. It will, for example, let's take 6. The double factorial of 6 will be 6 multiplied by 6 minus 2, so multiplied by 4, multiplied by 4 minus 2, so it's going to be 2. So this is how we calculate the double factorial of a number. So in this case, it's going to be 48. The same goes for 5, the same goes for 4, and the same goes for all the numbers. So if, for example, we enter the double factorial for number 1, well, if we calculate it, how it works, it's pretty simple. We start with an equal sign, and then we can just write down double factorial. So here we go, we have it here, so fact double. And we can select the number 1, because in this function, there is only one argument. Once we have it, we will have our answer, which will be 1. So if we calculate it for the number 2, it's going to be 2. If we calculate for number 3, it's going to be 3 as well, because 3 will be multiplied by 3 minus 1, so it's going to be 3. Same goes for 4, so in this case, it's going to be 8. If we calculate it for 5, it's going to be 15. And for 6, it's going to be 48. So if we continue and we want to calculate it for 7, 8, 9, etc., it's possible to do so. So for example, for 7 and 8. So if we calculate it for 7, it's going to be 105. And for 8, it's going to be 384. So this is how we use the FACTDOUBLE function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out the link down below with all my courses. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.